How to find Roblox user ID on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Roblox user ID on mobile step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first to tell you off, this won't work inside the Roblox app. So for this, you need the website. So to do that, simply open the Google Chrome app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for roblox.com. And now here, once you are inside the official website of the Roblox, simply log in to your Roblox account using your credentials, and once logged in, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, simply tap on profile. And now here, once you are in the profile section at the top, you simply have to tap on the URL in the browser address bar. And now here in the URL field, you can see the number in the middle. So that is your Roblox user ID. And that's it. That's how you can find your unique Roblox user ID on your phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.